Hi. Welcome to Emma's Adventures. Today we are doing a cleaning.
A cleaning? What does that mean? What kind of cleaning?
Teeth.
We are at the dentist. We're gonna head in and get our teeth cleaned. We clean them how often, Emma? Not at home, but at the dentist. You're technically supposed to see a dentist, if you can, every 6 months. And then we also go every 3 months just to check in because Emma has new teeth. She loses a tooth and gets a new tooth and all that sort of thing, right? A lot of fairy time. So we go there every 3 months, but we actually do the cleanings every 6 months. All right, let's go in.
I have 2 tricks. The first one is this one.
All right.
And the second one is this. You see this little gap right there?
Ew, you're gonna move your tooth? Ew. Oh, freaks me out when she moves the tooth. It's loose right now. See how strong you are. Thank God you're strong. Steps, elevator, steps. We just came from the house. Your hands are clean. Go, 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 go. And straight to the toys. Playing basketball?
Not playing, I'm just pressing buttons.
Oh.
Good.
Can you see with your hair on your face? Boo. She has a loose tooth.
Oh, you do? Which one?
And she creeps me out when she moves it. Right?
It's hung.
See, I've never been able to pull a tooth.
Big eyes. Brushing and flossing twice a day. And let's just double check. Oh, this is I have to avoid that when we're cleaning it because I don't know.
Emma, can we just take it out while we're here?
No.
No.
My power toothbrush might knock it out, so I'm gonna have to avoid that.
Say we don't have to clean that one. It's coming out.
Floss. Okay. Big big. I just gotta check the contents. Get the back, big girl's tooth coming in back there, so you can.
Bubblegum. Cool. You're cutie. Oh, you're done.
Good job, honey.
Hi.
So we'll see her in about 3 weeks, 3 months for the
Nice.
yeah.
Cool.
All done.
That was so quick,
And
Emma.
you were so stylish too while you're getting your clean done.
I know. I love those glasses. And you get a prize. How cool is that? That's awesome. Go get your prize, girl.
Slime, bubbles, fidgets, bracelets.
It's a hard decision. There's only four things in there. So many different colors. Oh God, slime. Again. What did we say? We say thank you?
You're welcome. Job brushing.
Yeah. You get to see what it's like to clean teeth, Emma. That's so cute. Winnie the Pooh. You want some help?
Yeah.
There you go. So cute. How adorable is this? Brothers. You got slime? That's pretty
It's
cool.
a bomb.
A ball?
A bomb.
What? Let me see your teeth. Oh, so clean. That's so awesome. Good girl. You got a new toothbrush? What color did you pick? Oh, cool. I like that. It's awesome. What do you want to say to all the kids about cleaning their teeth?
I feel like these are fake toothbrushes.
They're real.
Oh,
Those are
that
real.
one's glittery.
Which one do you like the most? What color?
I'd say yellow for summer.
Yellow for summer. You want a yellow toothbrush? It's cute.
Even one of these kinds.
These are, it says adult. It's disposable. That's so you can brush it once and then you throw it out.
Oh my god, throw it out.
Yeah, it's like a one-time use.